Welcome to another lecture on healthcare data standards. The PowerPoint presentation found below should be printed out or saved onto your computer, and as you read this week's readings, it is recommended to take notes. The PowerPoint presentation provides further information about the healthcare organizations that are involved in creating data standards, and it also provides information to distinguish important standards such as the difference between vocabulary and terminology. All these different aspects are critical to data literacy and how data is used for the analysis to improve health outcomes and to verify a consistent analysis among all healthcare professionals when improving health outcomes among populations with a given chronic disease and/or disease prevention, depending on the type of project that you are working on. All this information will also include items that you've learned from the previous units. Therefore, in reviewing data standards, you should consider health information systems and other aspects such as open notes and how the communication of healthcare data to information and knowledge is being interpreted through data analysis using data standards. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me by email and or visit me during my office hours. Thank you.